Hello friends, welcome to Electro. If you like our channel, don't forget to like, share, and press the bell icon for getting our notifications. This is a 43-inch LG LED TV. The complaint is doubling and distortion in the picture. You can see the vertical bars, horizontal lines, a stilling picture. Here you can see the actual complaint. This is mainly because of internal shorting inside the panel. The shorting may be in either left side or the right side of the panel. The reason for this complaint is gate signals are short inside the panel. Here you can see the color changing and the picture complaint, doubling complaint. So to repair this TV, we need to remove the internal shorting from either left side or right side. If both sides are short, then the TV is not repairable. Then the only solution is replacing the panel with a new one. This is the TV model number. So let's open the TV and check inside. Here you can see this is the motherboard of the LG LED TV. This is the T-con board, and here we do the main repair. These are the basic voltages area. These are gate signal area in the left side, and this is the gate signal area in right side. This is the gate signals from the right side of the panel, and here you can see the tracks of gate signals from the left side of the panel. This is the gate signal from the tracks from the right side, and that is the gate signal track from the left side. This is the power supply, and this is the panel model number NC430EUN is the panel model number, LG panel. Before starting repair, now let's check the basic panel voltages like VGH, VGL, AVDD voltage, etc. First we need to check the panel voltage, panel VCC. Here you can see 13 volt. Panel VCC is okay. Now let's check the VGL voltage. This is the VGL point. Here you can see the VGL voltage is minus 4.9 and the VGL voltage is correct. Now let us check the VGH voltage. This is the VGH voltage test point. Here you can see the VGH voltage is 27.69 and the voltage is correct. There is no variation in voltage. So now let's check the AVDD voltage. This is the AVDD test point. You can see that the 16 volt AVDD voltage is also correct. Now let's check the level shifter voltages, VGH voltage. Now let's check is there any variation. This is the VGH voltage here. Now let's check the, yes, you can see that the level shifter voltage is also, VGH odd even voltage is also correct, and 27 minus 4.9 is also correct. There is no variations. Here while the observation is all voltages in the basic T-con board is okay. Before repairing, let's check the picture again for the complaint. Here you can see that the complaint is still there. Here you can see the menu distortion the color and doubling in the picture. So let's start the repair by blocking gate signals from either left or right side. Here we first choosing the right side first, doing blocking signals from the right side. Here we need to block the first 13 pins from the T-con as shown in the picture above. So here we took a tape, cello tape, to block the signals, gate signals. So using this cello tape, we blocked the gate signals from the right side of the panel. So if the problem is with the right side, now the picture will be okay. Here we are doing this taping method to prevent the gate signals entering from the T-con to the panel. To remove shorting, we do this method. If the shorting is within right side, by doing this method, the voltage will not be entered to the panels. These gate signals are blocked to enter into the panel, and the picture will be correct. Here you see now the picture is perfect. You can see that there is no doubling and color change. Let us take the menu option and check the picture is correct or not once again. Here you see now the picture is perfectly correct. There is no doubling and color change, no vertical bars and lines. Everything is okay. Now the repairing is successfully done. So the complaint is with the right side of the panel. So we successfully prevented and blocked the gate signals entering from the panel to the left side, entering to the panel from the T-con from the T-con. You can clearly see that everything is okay. There is no distortion in the picture. Now everything is okay. The complaint is completely solved. Repairing successfully done. You can see the cello tape that we used to mask the gate signals entering to the panel to prevent gate signals from entering to the panel. So we successfully blocked the gate signals from entering to the panel. Now at last, after covering the TV, now you can see that the TV works fine and the repairing is successful. Now the picture is perfectly okay. There is no doubling and color change. Everything repaired successfully. The TV is successfully repaired. Now everything is okay. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Also, please share our channel in all your social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in next video.